Hi, I'm here with Vikram Sinha, CEO of Indosat, and we're going to talk about AI RAN. Let's go have a chat, shall we?
Sure, let's do that.
So Vikram, you're running one of the fastest scaling networks in Southeast Asia. How does that shape your view on deploying advanced architectures such as AI RAN?
Look, last year at MWC, we said we will do it with Nokia and NVIDIA, and we will do it in Indonesia. Because when you talk about AI RAN, I think it is much more than technology. You have to think of this as a platform. I'm happy to say now it is not proof of concept. We are talking about scaling this and creating real impact. And what excites me is there is no better countries like Indonesia where this whole AI RAN moving to AI grid and creating impact for people in rural Indonesia also, not only cities. And for me, personally, AI is a great equalizer. And this is how, with support from Nokia, we leaned in, we went all in. And NVIDIA also really guided us. So I'm so happy we have created in Surabaya a lab where Indonesians are working on solving real life problem on agriculture, health, education, and that will help the people of Indonesia. So it's quite exciting.
Oh, absolutely. Indosat has just demonstrated the first AI-powered 5G call in Southeast Asia, moving AI and RAN workloads onto shared GPU infrastructure. What did this teach you about the real requirements for deploying AI RAN in a live national network?
Yes, I think this week itself, we made our first call, live AI RAN 5G call. What does that mean? We demonstrated that how low latency. And it was a robot like this in Surabaya getting controlled from here on a real time. So now we are talking about real impact. And the other important thing I want to highlight again, it is the people from the top universities of Indonesia who are working with us. And we are working hand in hand on making sure that it is what we do help people. So we are just getting started. If you ask me, we are on the day zero. But what excites me is the impact which will create for our customers there.
And when you move from pilot clusters to nationwide deployment, what breaks first? Technology, economics, operations, or skills?
First thing first, you have to believe in it. Yeah? I think we started early and people were doubting us, but now everyone is following. I was very happy when Justin presented and I saw some new big names coming in. I think that is a very welcoming thing because it's all about collaboration. It is about coming together and how technology can solve real problems. So to answer your question, first is you have to believe in it, and if you believe in something, go all in. Second, I think it's a great example of collaboration. NVIDIA, Nokia, Indosat, I think T-Mobile US, SoftBank. So there is a RAN alliance getting formed. We learn from each other, but at the end of the day, technology is meaningless if it is not creating real impact for people. So we are heading towards a very exciting days in terms of creating real impact.
Absolutely. It's really exciting to see how you're advancing AI RAN and how it has true impact. Thank you so much, Vikram, and find out more at nokia.com.